What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change your MetaQuest 3S controller batteries. This should also work for your MetaQuest 3 as well. So recently I found out that I have run out of power on my controller batteries, and so I decided to change the batteries, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do that in this video. Now basically what you want to do is to just turn over. This is actually the left hand controller, and you just want to turn over like so, and at the left hand side of the controller you're going to see this little button over here. So you just want to go ahead and press on it just like so, and you're going to see that the battery cover is just going to pop up by itself just like so. So once you press on it, the battery cover will open up by itself. And to change the batteries, what you want to do is to first of all remove the current battery. So you want to just use your finger to pop it out, or if you have any item that is slim enough to enter this little hole, then you can just insert it. But I do not have long fingers and I can still remove it, so you just want to pull it out from the bottom just like so, and you can see that it actually comes out by itself easily just like so. And now that we have successfully removed the batteries, you want to go ahead and get your new batteries. I'll be replacing mine with these. Keep in mind that the MetaQuest 3S controllers actually use a AA batteries, and so you want to go ahead and get some. Now once you've been able to get your batteries, the bottom part of the batteries should actually face this place. We have this little pin over here, so you want to just insert it just like so, and you're good to go. Now you're also going to notice the little light blinking over here once you insert the battery, and to cover it up you want to do the same thing. Just from over here, make sure you place the cover just like so, and then slide it upward until you hear a click sound. So you just want to insert it properly and then slide it upward just like so. Now you want to do the same thing for the right hand side controller as well. You can literally see the button on the right hand side. You want to press on it to open up. Remove the batteries by using your fingers, and then you can now insert your new batteries. So you just want to do the same thing like so, and then go ahead and slide your battery cover, and just like so we have now been able to change the batteries of our MetaQuest 3S. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips.